Hey friends, if you wish to auto lock your computer after inactivity in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, ideally, you can right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select power and battery in the right pane, and then you can shift screen and sleep to what do we say, a certain time for sleeping. Okay, now when the computer sleeps, it is in a low power state, so a lot of background processes become dormant. If you wish to try an alternative to this, that would be screensaver. So I'll search for screen saver. Now click on change screensaver. You can use a screensaver here, and then you can change your wait time to, let's say, 7 minutes, and then okay, 7 minutes, and then check this box which says on resume display log on screen. So here's what will happen in this case. If I apply it and OK it, the computer will not sleep. It will get locked, but it will not sleep. So sleeping is a low power state. It will not sleep, but here's what will happen. Whenever a person tries to exit the screensaver, immediately the system will get locked. Okay, and when it gets locked, it's still in the high power state or the medium power state. In that case, you will have to log in once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.